Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a grooming product that stands out in the world of men's personal care, the Braun Electric Razor for Men, Series 88467cc. Whether you're a man looking for the perfect shave or you're shopping for someone special, this could be the next addition to your grooming routine. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Braun Series 88467cc electric foil shaver promises a powerful yet gentle shave, with features designed to tackle every hair type. It boasts a 40-degree adapting head, floating blades, and the brand's unique sonic technology that delivers 10,000 micro vibrations to capture more hair and glide smoothly across your skin. Now let's get into the real-world experience with this shaver. I've been using this razor for a while now, and I've got to say, it's incredibly user-friendly. It fits comfortably in your hand with a sleek design and a premium feel. What really stands out is how it adapts to your face. The 40-degree head moves with the contours of your face, and those floating blades do a fantastic job at catching hair, no matter the direction of growth. Whether you're shaving your face or tackling tricky areas around your jaw, the smooth glide makes for an irritation-free shave. But what about the performance over time? With a 60-minute battery life on a full charge, you can get through multiple shaves without worrying about recharging. Plus, the 5-minute quick charge is a nice touch for those last-minute touch-ups. And if you're someone who likes to multitask in the shower, this is a wet and dry shaver, so you can use it with foam, gel, or even under running water. I tested it in both scenarios, and I have to say, it works wonderfully in both dry and wet conditions. No difference in performance. One of the highlights for me is the SmartCare Center. This isn't just about charging the razor. It's a cleaning, lubricating, drying, and charging system all in one. It's super convenient, especially for keeping the razor in top shape without extra hassle. The cleaning cartridge is a nice addition, ensuring the razor is always hygienic and ready to use, and it even dries the blades to prevent rust. Now, of course, no product is perfect. A couple of things to note. First, the price is on the higher end for an electric razor, so it might not be the best choice for someone on a tight budget. But considering the sleek design, long-lasting performance, and added features, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality razor. Another thing, while the charging stand is useful, it does take up a bit of space on your bathroom counter. Not a deal breaker, but worth mentioning. Let's talk value for money. While the Braun Series 8 isn't cheap, it offers a lot of quality for the price. The 4-in-1 SmartCare Center, the long-lasting battery, the premium design, and the smooth performance make it an excellent investment if you're serious about getting a great shave. Plus, the fact that it's made in Germany speaks to its durability. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other options, but they might not offer the same level of performance or convenience. So you're definitely paying for a high-quality experience here. The build quality is excellent. This razor feels premium and is built to last. Braun claims it's made to last for years, and from my experience, it certainly seems sturdy. The high-quality coating makes it smudge-proof and adds to the overall durability. The razor is also 100% waterproof, so you won't have to worry about damaging it in the shower. In terms of customer support, I haven't needed to reach out to Braun, but their reputation for handling inquiries is solid. They're known for being responsive and helpful, which is always a bonus when you're buying a high-end product. If you're on the fence about whether the Braun Series 8 is worth the price, I'd say it's definitely a good option for those who value a reliable, high-performance razor. If you're someone who wants top-tier grooming, this is a razor that fits the bill. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used the Braun Series 8 or have your own thoughts on electric razors, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.